can we hop on this rain before we get detained? I wanted to be busy, some more soon tonight. Get the masterpiece beats right. Because I have a bill for you, it's calling up to do. I haven't to play multi like a gay guy. Can we play Risk of Rain too? I've been constant and you're big and tall, but lately I just can't have anything at all. I play too much Fortnite and Destiny 2. The recon of my lost free time is not due. But when I try to get my way around, you seem to shoot all my ideas all down. In the end I seem to be defeated. With my neurons yet to ever be completed. A real shame. Get on the fucking game. There's a certain little game with not a lot of fame, but it's a fun one to play in the end today. Cause I wait for you to say. So can we hop on this rain before we get detained? I wanted to be big, some more soon tonight. Get the masterpiece fixed right. Cause I've got a bill for you, it's calling up to do. I even play multi like a gay guy. Can we play Risk of Rain too?雨の終わりすぐ私の好きなゲーム。And though I try, you don't play blind. It hurts my eyes even if you always die. Cause all this time I stay alive, and all I wish is that you would just realize. Here box, just finish DLC. Can we hop on with the rain before we get detained? Cause now I know it's true, we can play after all the way to Siren's Call. Because I've got a bill for you, it's calling Captain 2. I even play multi like a gay guy. Please hop on this rain too. Like the games I do. My turn is now overdue. 今僕このゲームは最高だゲーム As long as